Hello all, welcome to chapter 1 from the book of Genesis. At the start of this chapter, we see it is written, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." So, even before we enter the creation days, we see that God has already created the heavens and the earth. We then see on day 1, God says, "Let there be light." On day 2, God creates the firmament, that is atmosphere. On day 3, God creates dry land and plants. On day 4, sun, moon and stars. On day 5, sea animals and birds. On day 6, land animals and humans, that is mankind. On day 7, we see that God enters rest. The seventh day is called as the day of rest, where there is no more creation. Day 7 is mentioned in the next chapter, that is chapter 2. We then see, except for the seventh day, every day had an evening and a morning. One evening and one morning amounted to one day. Scholars point out that seventh day was the day of rest, and it looks like this particular day has not yet ended. So, according to some scholars, we are living or continue to live in the day of rest. Coming back to this chapter, we then see in verse 26, it states, "Let us make man in our own image." So we find the first mention or a suggestion towards the Trinity when God says, "Let us make man in our own image." We then see God blesses mankind and gives them supremacy to rule the animals of sea, land, and air. Towards the end of this chapter, we see God provided plants as food to all the beasts of the land, birds, and everything that has breath. In other words, everything that was initially created was or were vegetarians. This is how the chapter ends. Before we go, I would like you to uh, have a look at a few videos that I have suggested in the description section. So if we have doubts with regards to the Jurassic Age, or if we have doubts with regards to the creation days, I would recommend a few videos that are a must watch and will confirm your faith in the word of God. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.